Hello everyone, welcome to Baby Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, delicacies, African traditional foods and travel and events. If at all you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing, press on to that notification bell so that you can always be notified when all videos are uploaded. And for viewers, returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. If you are amazed by my videos, please throw your super thanks. Otherwise, please share and comment. So guys, today's video is about just trying to make some dinner here for my family, and I would like us to do it together. So I'm going to do grounded beef, but I'm going to bake it, and I'm going to bake it in style that you will love it. So please keep tuned and let's move. This is my grounded beef. Guys, it's 1 kg. And then I have my cheese here, and I have the cheese cream as well. I have my blended grated carrots. I have coriander. I have 3 boiled eggs, 2 raw eggs, and 30 grams of breadcrumbs. So for the spices, I have paprika, black pepper, and some salt to taste. So keep adding some salt. Then I will add my black pepper, some paprika, 30 grams of breadcrumbs, then my eggs. Then I'll mix up everything together. Kind of recipe is very nice. You can use it as a starter for your supper or your dinner. You can, especially if you have special guests, you can use such kind of recipe. I'm going to add some little vegetable oil to it, so keep tuned. I will add little oil, just little enough. That is just enough. And then this is just okay. So keep tuned. This is my baking tray. I'm going to use this tray to bake my beef. And I'm going to spread everything in here well. So I will start by just adding some little vegetable oil here. This is just to lubricate everything so that they don't get stick. So keep tuned, guys. Once you put oil, make sure that it is enough. So next step, I will spread it in here. So you make sure you spread it evenly. Make sure every part of this foil has the beef. well labeled this way. So what I have here now, I'll put this aside and I will grate my cheese. This is a hard cheese. I'll add it in here. Then cream to it as well. And then mix up everything. So by doing so now, I will distribute my cheese as well on top of my beef. I've lit my pan. I'll add just some little oil just to fry my onions. So onions, you can use either red onions or white onions, whichever you feel is best for you. Just to confirm whether my oil is fine, I will add in my onions. To fry our onions, we'll add some carrots. These are the grated carrots that I made, so I'll fry them together till they get soft or become translucent. So I'll give it a good mix. Once this is done, it has become translucent, so we are just going to add it to our beef. Here we are. Add it in here and spread it well. So guys, you can see how my recipe is gonna be nice. From this point now, my eggs are here. I'm going to place my eggs in here. So I'm going to fold everything in here. So make sure you held this egg using, and make sure you leave a space here, so, and press this other side so that your meat can be compact. Then, so from here, then you continue. Then you continue, but you remove this. So you be careful with the ends. Remove this. And I'm going to take it out. So guys, look at my baked beef, how amazing this is, how enjoyable it is. So this is what I just baked. So please view this video. So you can serve it with some salad. I have some creamy macaroni here, which we can use to serve it. So guys, look at this meal. So nice, so tasty. Please view my videos, like, share, subscribe, and more so please try it out.